Did you know there's a setting on your iPhone that will completely eliminate spam and unknown callers ringing to your iPhone? So if you get constant calls from unknown numbers that are just trying to sell you something, I'm going to show you some settings that you definitely want to turn on. Now, let's open up the Settings app on your iPhone. We're going to do everything in the Settings app. From here, let's scroll down until you get to Apps at the very bottom and tap on that. And now we're going to get to your settings for your phone. So scroll down until you get to the P section here and tap on Phone. Now in iOS 26, there are some new features that can screen unknown callers or stop spam callers. What we're going to do is scroll down until you get to the option that says Screen Unknown Callers, Call Filtering. I'm going to walk you through what all of these do and what you should turn on or off. Now, screen unknown callers. These are numbers that are not in your contacts list. So you haven't saved them on your phone, and they're phone numbers that you haven't called or you haven't accepted a call from. Essentially, your iPhone can keep track of who has called you, who you have called, and who is in your contacts. If it doesn't match any of those numbers, then essentially it's an unknown number, somebody that's never called you before. Most likely, a lot of times, these are spam callers. There are two different options you have. You can choose to ask reason for calling. It says calls from unsaved numbers will be asked for more information before your iPhone rings. Essentially what this means is if somebody calls you, it will automate a voice that says, "Hey, why are you calling me?" And then it basically waits until they respond. And if they respond with something, then it'll come back and ring to your phone. But keep in mind, if it's a spam caller, almost always they never do anything. They just immediately hang up. Or you can choose to silence them. And it says calls from unsaved numbers will be silenced, sent to voicemail, and displayed on your recents list. So keep in mind, if you get a call from a spam caller or unknown caller, it won't ring to your iPhone. You won't be bothered, but it'll just show up in your recents list on your phone app. And if they do leave a voicemail, you can always listen to the voicemail and choose to respond to them if you want. Again, keep in mind, if they're spam callers, they never leave a voicemail. So essentially, if they do leave a voicemail, it's probably just a legitimate person that is not in your contacts. Now, another cool feature is call filtering. It says unknown callers, missed calls, and voicemail from unknown callers will be moved to the unknown callers list. I would recommend turning this on. Again, this just separates all of them. They'll still be on your phone app, and I'll show you where to find them, but it'll just separate them all into a separate section so it doesn't clutter up your whole phone app. And then you can see also spam. Calls identified as spam or fraud by AT&T will be silenced and sent to voicemail. Keep in mind, I'll show you also how to mark these as spam yourself. Now, let's hop out of here and open up the phone app, and I'll show you what this looks like. We can tap on the filter icon at the top right. Now you can see unknown callers. I can tap on these, and these are all of the phone numbers that are unknown. That I've never called them, they've never called me before, and they're most likely all spam. You can also tap on here and go to spam. These are certainly spam calls and have been marked as spam by your carrier, whether it's AT&T, Verizon, Sprint, T-Mobile, it's been marked as spam. Now let's go to these unknown callers or your normal calls. You can see here are all of these normal calls, but in some instances, they pop up and you can see this was not marked as spam. I can just swipe to the left here and tap on the delete button if I wanted to delete it from there. Or if I'm in unknown callers, I can just tap on the little I right next to these and then scroll down and hit block. So keep in mind, you can of course always just block these phone numbers from calling you. And if they do call you and your iPhone missed it, you can always just also mark it as spam so you're not bothered by those random callers.